According to recent market reports, the global dry bean consumption market is estimated to reach nearly 20,000 metric tons by 2026. Hi, I'm Brad Weber, Vice President of Operations here at Lyco Manufacturing. We have more than 40 years of experience and are the recognized leader in continuous dry bean hydrating and cooking solutions. Whether it's navy, pinto, kidney, garbanzo, lima, baby reds, black beans, black-eyed peas, or Great Northern, Lyco has the ideal solution for continuous hydrating, from a dry state of 9 to 13% moisture to as high as 55 to 58%. We are now shipping another 72 by 24 foot blancher, and we have over 100 blanchers throughout the dry bean industry. Depending upon finished product, these systems are ideal for canned sauce beans, brine beans, and refried beans. The benefits of Lyco's continuous systems include saving valuable floor space. For years, processors have used static soak tanks for hydrating beans, which require a lot of labor, an enormous amount of floor space, and excessive water for filling and draining the tanks. Improved quality and higher recovery. Lyco systems typically have 2 blanchers in a series, with multiple heating zones to ensure the beans are not shocked and split. With Lyco's unique agitation process and our proven years of experience, customers tell us that our continuous lines increase quality and uniformity because each bean is processed exactly the same, which greatly improves their yields. Lyco also has tenderometer and moisture reading equipment to further help you develop your specific process. So come visit Lyco's state-of-the-art testing facility where we can demonstrate and improve your process development. Please call us at 920-623-4152 and ask for a sales representative.